g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a chocolate mousse with sweet potato. So it's got sweet potato, vanilla and cocoa powder. That's it. So you have to cook the sweet potato first and then take the skin off. So I've done that. I've used a little one. So I'm not making the full amount as the recipe says. So what we're going to do is take our sweet potato, blend that for a little bit first before we add our other ingredients. Some cocoa powder. I'm going to add some vanilla. And I'm going to blend it till it's nice and smooth. There you have it. I would add, if you want it sweet, I would add a little bit of maple syrup would be nice with this too. If you find it that you want it a little bit sweeter. But I just made a very small amount. Sweet potato chocolate mousse. Enjoy.